Hi guys, we're doing a bouquet series, and that essentially means that I am making several different kinds of flowers, wildflowers to be more specific, and in the end I'll make a rustic bouquet for you. I know that Valentine's is right around the corner and this bouquet would make an awesome gift, but to be honest, I'm a buy my own flowers kind of girl, or in this case, I'm making them. And I have selected my ultimate favors. I hope they're yours too, so join me. As promised, we're making a poppy today. There's just something so perfect about rustic flowers, and poppies are just as colorful as they come. And these are just so simple to make. Let me show you. First, we'll cover our green wire in some green tape, just like we did with our sunflower. Let's speed this up a bit, shall we? And if you haven't watched the sunflower video, which is the first of this series, don't forget to watch it after this one. I'll post a link in the description for you. I think you will love it. Now this tape can be a bit of a pain, so feel free to use some green paper strips or fabric or even some ribbon with hot glue. Once it's covered, we twist the end so it will hold our flower center. Next, we take a 0.8-inch square and turn it into a circle. Then we split the ends into 6 and trim each of them to make them look rounder, almost like we're making petals with it. Okay, now for our beige, or maybe it's a light yellow strip. It's 1 by 4.7 inch and we're making little fringes with it like so. And now we are making our fire red petals. We take a 2 by 2.4 inch rectangle and we trim the sides like so. Then we cut the top in a curvy wave. And repeat the steps for the other 3 poppy petals as well. Poppy petals. I like the sound of that. Let's take care of our flower center next. We're gluing all these green petals we cut earlier together like so into a tiny, cute little bud. You know, working with smaller pieces can be so much harder than doing it with larger ones, but the little intricate detail it creates will be worth it, I promise. And while we have our hot glue gun in hand, let's add some texture to our petals by making 2 small creases on each one like so. Repeat the step for all our poppy petals. I just love saying that, sorry. And we are ready to assemble. First, we glue our flower center to our wire like so. Next, we add the fringes around it, always making sure to glue it all in place. Then we glue on the petals, creases down, waves up, one on each side like so. By now, it looks like a poppy already, right? But there's still one last detail we need to add, which is the back of the flower. We take a 1.75-inch green square and cut it into a circle. Then we make a hole in the middle so it can pass through the wire and glue it onto our lovely poppy. And that's it, our poppy is complete. One step closer to completing our rustic bouquet. Next video for this series, we're making daisies and chamomile flowers, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel to make sure you do not miss it. I'll see you then.